Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the 9th strategy in the guidebook that I have created for you guys. The link to the guidebook is down below. I will include the link so that you can check that out. I highly recommend you read over it first before you watch any of my videos. There's a lot of value in it, and plus it's the 25 most commonly used strategies that I've used in my life to really optimize my productivity by taking advantage and full control of my environment. So I hope you guys check that out first, and without wasting any time, let's get into this one. All right, so plan tomorrow today. What I mean by that is when you plan out your day, right? And you probably should be planning out if you are serious about taking productivity to the next level. But what I mean by that is your day doesn't really begin in the morning. Your day actually begins the night before. When you go and you're ready to tackle your day, you should already be prepared to basically go through all the tasks that you've planned the night before. Once you've established clear physical boundaries that I've mentioned before in the other strategy for your workspace, and you've also established comfort, you're comfortable being in that space to do good work, you're now able to start planning for what to do the next day. Now, how do you do this? I encourage you to write 3 important tasks every single night before you go to bed that you have to accomplish the next day, or that you want to accomplish the next day. By doing that, you basically increase your memory of doing it so that when you get up right away, you know exactly what you've planned out. You've written it down on paper, you know it in your head, and now you're able to execute on those plans as soon as possible. Another big key point here is that you have defined purpose. You're not going through the day being distracted and responding to everything that comes your way. You know exactly what you need to be doing at exactly the time that you have to be doing it. And my third and last point is to really get to work quickly and smoothly. I haven't yet created a video of one of the strategies that is in the guidebook, but your morning time is your most productive time according to your biological time clock or cycle, if you want to call it that. And so you don't want to be wasting time thinking about what to do in the morning. You want to right as soon as you're out of bed and you're ready for the day, that's when you want to start executing on your goals that you've planned right before you went to sleep the day before. So this is the way that I would do it, and any of these tasks that seem to come up and arise throughout the day, you can tackle them once you finish the 3 most important tasks. So I highly recommend you do that before you go to bed, and to understand that this isn't like you have to do it, but understand that your morning time is a very precious time, and you want to take full advantage of that time so that you can get as much work done. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you learned something. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like I said, I will be releasing more and more of these videos on every single topic, every single strategy that I have in the guidebook, and that's in the link below, so please check that out. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.